Hello everyone. Welcome back to Sai Coaching Center Koti Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. I am Purnika and in this video we are going to see about RITES Limited recruitment. So the application has already started on 26th of November 2025 and it will end on 25th of December 2025. So the regions is North, East, West and South. As we mainly concentrate on South, so the region is Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Lakshadweep. And the written test for all the vacancies will be conducted at the same time in all the regions. And the discipline is civil and the post is Assistant Manager Civil and the minimum qualification is Bachelor degree in Civil Engineering. And experience required is 2 years and the total number of vacancies is 27 in North, 31 in East, 33 in West and 29 in South. Next is the electrical and the name of the post is Electrical Manager and the minimum qualification is Electrical or Electronics or Instrumentation. And the experience is 2 years. And the total number of vacancies in the South, it is 8. And Signal and Telecommunication. And the name of the post is Assistant Manager, Signal and Telecommunication. And the essential qualification is Bachelor degree in Electronics, Instrumentation and Power Electronics. And the experience required is 2 years. And number of posts is 3 in South. And Mechanical, Assistant Manager Mechanical, it is full-time bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering or Production and the experience need to be 2 years and the number of posts is 15 in South region. Next is Information Technology and the relevant post is Assistant Manager IT and the essential qualification is Computer Engineering or Technology or Computer Science and the experience is 2 years. And the number of posts is only 1. So the maximum age limit is 40 years. And their selection process is a written test followed by an interview after selection after getting shortlisted from the written test. And the application fee for general or OBC candidates is 600 rupees and for EWS or SC or ST or PWBD candidates it is 300 rupees. And the annual CTC is 5,09,741 rupees. And the written test will be conducted on 11th of January 2026 in different locations and the nearest to our institute is the Hyderabad location. And the syllabus is aptitude, data interpretation, logical reasoning and basic awareness or general knowledge. So this PDF will be posted in our Telegram channel, Space Engineering Academy. Please do subscribe our channel, Space Engineering Academy and Sai Koti for more such job notifications. Please do like our video and share with your friends and family for more such updates. If you have any queries or suggestions, please feel free to ask in our comment section. Thank you.